sunburst. I think that's sunburst orange in colour. Them yellow headlights. It looks awesome. Yeah. My dad had 2 or 3 of these when we were kids. I think I had 3. They had massive boots on them. Have a look around this one. That's left-hand drive, that one. I like this one. Oyster metallic. There we go. That's a gleamer, that is. Let's have a look inside if we can see him. Probably see my ugly mug more than you can, that. I do like the Austin Maxi. That's lovely. Have a walk around this one. What model's this? It's a Maxi 2, must be a HL or something. It's got the posh seats in it. And a dark veneer dashboard. Designed by Sir Alex Izagonis, who is renowned for liking quite plain vehicles, hence its quite mundane design, but very practical vehicle nonetheless. And then we've got another one. Another one with the yellow headlights. Right-hand drive. The lovely Webasto sunroof. There we go. Maxi with the twin carb engine. Austin Maxi stand, but off camera we've just met Ian Seabrook from another YouTube channel called Hubnut. And I must say, a nicer bloke, you couldn't wish to meet. We just had a chat with him off camera, and he is even nicer than you would think. You know what it's like when you meet people you've seen on YouTube and stuff, they're usually a bit pretentious, but no, he was absolutely delightful. So he was looking around the same cars as me, but his videos will probably get a lot more views than me. But there you are. There's Austin Ambassador, which my dad had one of these, exactly the same. It's a Vanden Plough, I do believe. Let's have a look. Is it? Or is it a HL? Have a look. Vanden Plough. The posh one. And over there is a another one. Well, it's not, it's a Princess. Let's have a look around there. Oh, look at the beautiful, beautiful. Look at the interior. That absolute baby cat vinyl. It's absolutely beautiful. Have a look around there. Yep, fantastic. There's a blue one over there, blue Princess. But yeah, look at the Ambassador. Beautiful car. Something more sinister. A Montego hearse. I've never seen one before. I'm not going to ask you to sit in it. Well, there we are. An Austin Montego hearse. Something I've never ever seen in my life before. There's a Maestro. And there's the barn find MG Montego Turbo. Bloody hell. God, I remember us having one of these when we were younger. A bird shit on it, lovely.
Yeah.
Right. There's something a bit special, over 200 BRM. The orange mouth and the blood red interior. Here we are. Very nice car. Just pan round. Never thought I'd see the day when one of those is a classic car, but hey ho, obviously today is the day. There's another one, glittery pink. You know what, these are fun, and I think they're probably one of the coolest things I've seen. I like how just simple they are. Back to the fuchsia, that's called. Let's pan around a bit. They're great.